So there's one you wouldn't have heard in a while. It's a great one though, it's a classic. It's a bit of Lionel Richie and the Commodores. I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, I beg, stole, and I borrow. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. That's why I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning.